Welcome back, boys and girls. Now that you have had a chance to take your pre-assessment and view the videos, let's go over the big idea about the Big Six. In this video, we will discuss the key points, ways to use the Big Six, and review your handout. Let's get started. Let's think back. What is the Big Six, and what can it do for you? The Big Six is a process that will help you find, evaluate, and use information effectively. It helps you to think about the topic and form questions. The questions guide you to your sources and help you to make sense of the valuable information. What can I use it for? The Big Six can be used for asking questions, locating information, and evaluating the source about a topic. The topic may be given to you, or it may be something that you want to inquire about in everyday life. Therefore, it can be used for educational purposes and your personal life. Here are a few examples. Your teacher may ask you to research about an animal, a historical figure, or a country. In everyday life, you may want to research about a new device, a place to have your birthday party, or a new pet that you may want to get. Now that you know what the Big Six is and what it can be used for, let's review the 6 steps. 1. Task definition. 2. Information-seeking strategies. 3. Locate and access information. 4. Use of information. 5. Synthesis. And 6. Evaluate. Let's review the handout. The handout is to help you remember the Big Six process. It contains details about what the process is and then gives you information about each step. There is a small graphic by each step to help you remember the key point of it. For example, number 1 says, define the task at hand. It gives you a clue into what this entails. It says, ask yourself if you fully understand the task. If not, ask questions so you know exactly what you are doing. Identify what information will be needed. And then there's a graphic of a question mark to help you remember to ask those questions. Then, towards the bottom of the handout, there are 5 additional resources for you to access more information. Since everybody learns differently, there is a little something for everybody. If you prefer to read the information, listen to it, or if you need an example, there are all 3 types there for you. I hope that you have learned something new and a way to help you with your research. Remember, it doesn't have to be a scary thing. Just use the Big Six to help you. Do you have any questions? Below is the resource that I used to help me create this presentation. If there are not any questions, then I wish you happy researching.